What does SOHCAHTOA stand for? In a right triangle, we have an angle called theta. And when we're talking about sine theta, we're talking about a ratio between two sides. Suppose we have a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Sine theta is a ratio of two sides, and we're talking about the opposite, which is 3, over the hypotenuse, which is 5. So in general, sine theta is equals to the opposite over the hypotenuse. Now what is cos theta? We put our finger here on theta, and we think about the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is 4 over 5. The hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle, and it happens to be opposite the right angle. The adjacent is also beside theta, however, it's not the hypotenuse. So in general, cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Finally, what's tan theta? Tan theta is opposite over adjacent, which is 3 over 4. So tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. So here we have the 3, 4, 5 triangle again, and this time we're going to draw theta in this top right corner, because now SOHCAHTOA has a different meaning. Theta, we place our finger up here, is opposite over hypotenuse 5. So sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, and the acronym SOHCAHTOA, this acronym helps us memorize these ratios. S, which represents sine, is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite is 4 over the hypotenuse, which is 5. Now what about C? We have cosine. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. AH means adjacent hypotenuse. So cos theta is adjacent, which is 3, over the hypotenuse, which is 5. Finally, what's T? T represents tan. Tan theta is opposite over adjacent. And this happens to be, opposite is across the field, 4 over the adjacent, which is 3. We don't choose 5 because 5 is the hypotenuse, 3 is the adjacent. So now we know a little bit about SOHCAHTOA.